Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds edifier new dots to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. But now let's move to adding this device to the app. And to do this, you need to open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top and then open the charging case. If it's your first connection, these earbuds enter to bring mode automatically, and you will know it by the LED light on the front side what blinking white. Also, if you perform a factory reset, these earbuds also enter to bring mode automatically, and then you just tap on them at the device list. But we can also enter to bring mode manually, and to do this you need to press and hold at the connectional button, what located at the right side of your earbuds. Right here we have it. You need to press and hold it when the lid is open until the LED lights start blinking white, like what I have right now. And then you will also enter pairing mode and you will see them at the device list. Now we need to tap on them, and if you have Android, after that click Pair. Now we can hide the settings and open Edifier Connects application. On Apple devices it automatically added to the app. On Android you need to click Pair at the bottom. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!